गर्मी ज्यादा हो रही है.
गर्मी ज़्यादा ही हो रही है. Don't get like aroused now. I'm just putting my sleeves up because it's getting too warm.
मैं तो हूँ ऐसी प्यार में अंधी गूंगी बहरी टाइप. यार
मैंने गाली नहीं दी यार. मैंने नहीं दी.
But अब मैंने-
Don't worry, I'll make sure your calories are worth it.
ooh damn.
Something funny. No, I mean, what am I going to do? Like here. Like here.
मैं भी लड़ सकती हूँ. A risky late night text.
What is a risky late night text?
Something risk.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
यही सोचो ना कि मैं पजामा में क्यों. Well, that's because मेरी ये डेट is a pajama party and I can't wait to welcome my date. तो मैं चली.
Did someone order room service?
Oh yes, I did.
And a bottle of water.
I like this service.
And sexy company.
Love it.
Well, privacy please.
Hi Karan.
Hi.
Single ही हो ना पक्का?
मैं बड़ा डिफिकल्ट है ये सब.
Situationship है क्या?
हाँ. I don't even know कि अभी क्या चीजें क्या होगी.
चलो ठीक है. I will let you be a little ambiguous. I will let you live with that. I will not trouble you.
करें हिंदी बात करें.
हाँ.
है ना?
वो कर
तो बहुत ज्यादा आर्टिकुलेट हो गया. मैं दो टाइम पे मेरी इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छी निकलती है अंदर से. या तो मैं झगड़ रहा हूँ या अगर मैं कोई इंटरव्यू दे रहा हूँ. When I'm fighting, my English, I'm so articulate that even I, while fighting, have this dialogue going in my head. यार ये इंग्लिश मैंने सीखी कहाँ से? Like where did it come from?
Okay, I'll tell you why that happens. ये मेरे साथ भी होता है. जब मेरे को लड़ाई करनी होती है तो I will automatically speak in English unless मुझे गाली देनी है.
हाँ, गाली का मजा हिंदी में.
हाँ, वो मतलब अंदर से आता है.
तुम्हारी कौन सी फेवरेट है गाली? I want to understand कि तुम्हारे बॉयफ्रेंड कौन सी गाली खा रहे हैं.
बॉयफ्रेंड है ही नहीं, गाली कहाँ से खाएगा?
मतलब अभी जो भी आज की तारीख में टर्म्स चलते हैं.
आई थिंक सी एक तो बीइंग अ पंजाबी.
अच्छा मैं समझ गया.
हाँ, अब बाकी समझ लो. वो तो अपना इडियम है, लाइक अकॉर्डिंग टू माय डैड. वो तो चलता है.
प्रीफिक्स है यार.
हाँ, लाइक यू कांट योर सेंटेंस इज नॉट कंप्लीट विदाउट.
मतलब सेंटेंस शुरू होता है उसके बाद कॉमा आता है फिर वहां से.
हाँ,
वहां से कहानी शुरू होती है.
लाइक यार बता तो बात ही नहीं बनती.
मैंने गाली नहीं दी यार. मैंने नहीं दी.
बट अब मैंने दीदी बीप कर देंगे. इट्स ओके.
बट नहीं, मैं जब झगड़ता हूँ तो मेरी गाली बिल्कुल नहीं निकलती. मेरे झगड़ने के टाइम पे स्पेशली इफ आई एम इन अ रिलेशनशिप मेरे ऐसे इंग्लिश के शब्द निकलते हैं कि वो मुझ पर ही भारी पड़ते हैं. रिसेंटली आई वाज सीइंग समबडी इन द मिडल. वी वर ट्राइंग टू गेट टू नो ईच अदर बेटर एंड शी वाज नॉट इंडियन, यू नो, शी वाज फ्रॉम रशिया. अब वो बेचारी की वैसी इंग्लिश पे इतना कमांड नहीं है. तो हम जब लड़े, मैं लड़ गया, उसके बाद मैं सबटाइटल्स दे रहा हूँ. मैं लड़ रहा हूँ, मैं उसके बाद सबटाइटल्स दे रहा हूँ. देन आई वाज लाइक यार छोड़ भाई, मैं क्यों लड़ ही क्यों रहा हूँ.
कैरेक्टर ब्रेक हो रहा है.
लाइक फ्लो ही टूट गया मेरा.
So I whenever I'm fighting with her, like सारी इंग्लिश बाहर आती है. My mother just looks at me. हिंदी में बोल.
तेरा सीन बहुत ही खराब है यार. तेरी सारी इंग्लिश माँ बाप के सामने निकल रही है.
यार मेरी प्रॉब्लम ये है.
We should find you a boy at the end of this. Have some romance in your life. I wore a specific T-shirt, yeah.
Oh,
I thought this is a nice PJ. Of course I did.
Oh, sweet. I like it.
Grazie.
But yeah, so एक minute. Why are we finding me a boy after this?
Because we're pretending like this is a date, but you and I are quite aware that it's not.
इतना सच भी नहीं बोलना था.
नहीं बोलना था. अच्छा.
दिल तोड़ दिया यार.
ओए होए.
But tell me, are you close to your sister?
I'm extremely close to my sister.
So do you like even as a kid, did you share your love life with her, take dating advice?
Yeah. A lot of my understanding of women does stem from my relationship with my sister, and I think that comes from the upbringing that our parents have given us.
Okay, but you said कि जो भी आपने औरतों के बारे में सीखा है, समझा है, is from your sister.
Yeah.
So what is it that you've learned about women, you know, with the span of time from her?
That you're never right. In any situation, I've realized as a boy, there is never a time that I'm going to be like, I am right. That's a battle you have lost before you started arguing.
I
mean, yes.
ठीक है.
बोल ले मैं जानता हूँ.
हाँ, ठीक है. क्या यार, you're looking at yourself in the mirror.
There is no mirror.
You were just looking at.
ऐसे थोड़ी मिरर देख सकता हूँ. मिरर यहाँ है.
हाँ, तो you were just doing this ना अभी.
नहीं, मैं कुछ सोच रहा था actually.
हाँ, sure, lie to me.
Yeah, is that? I'm telling you, I'm feeling insecure.
I'm right.
You're right.
You were supposed to say that.
I'm agreeing with you. I'm saying yes. And I was giving the reason for it.
तो worst heartbreak कौन सा था?
इसको डिफाइन कैसे करें? बिकॉज मैं इसका जवाब देना चाहता हूँ बिना जवाब दिए.
हाँ तो don't.
नहीं, I'm having actor problems now.
Yeah.
मेरा दिल एक ही बार टूटा है.
And जब ये हुआ था तो move on कैसे किया था? कितना रोए थे?
बहुत रोया था यार. I mean, frankly speaking, I never thought that I had it in me to feel so deeply, because everyone, like, I'm very public with my relationships, whether it's something serious, whether it's something not as serious. I'll never shy away from introducing her to my family, my closest friends, my professional friends, my distant friends, because I'm public like that as a person. If I'm with someone, I want to hold their hand, and when I feel like touching them, kissing them, hugging them, I'm that kind of a person, right?
Yeah, but what if your partner is not okay with with going public? And
Then that's not my partner.
oh wow, that's a non-negotiable. Now I know
It's
you're
a non-negotiable. You know, even if you're trying to suss out something with somebody, right? If it's casual, like in times of today, everything is so easy to kind of break off. I feel like you've got to go all in.
But
That's the maximum cool English I know.
Yeah, but no, I agree with that.
Yeah.
क्योंकि मैं तो हूँ ऐसी प्यार में अंधी गूंगी बहरी types.
नहीं, मजा है उसका ना. You are meant to fall in love, yeah. You
Yeah.
can't intellectualize feelings.
हाँ तो
So in situations like that, I think it tends to
so
happen.
what I usually do is अगर एक
Don't get like aroused now. I'm just putting my sleeves up because it's getting too warm. I know it's a date and we're in bed.
मेरी अभी तक नजर नहीं गई थी, मैं distracted थी, but yeah, thank you for reminding me to keep an eye
Always. On my biceps.
on your biceps. हाथ में फिट भी नहीं आएंगे. Oof. गर्मी ज्यादा हो रही है.
गर्मी ज्यादा ही हो रही है.
But
हाँ जी.
I forgot. मैं कुछ बोलने वाली.
Happens. It usually happens when people see my biceps. I'm just being corny. I'm being so corny. Sorry.
But I used to corny person.
I am fully corny. I am every single cliche that is there out there.
Really, I love it.
I feel like humor comes out of cliche, right?
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah. My pickup lines also disturbingly cliched.
अच्छा तो मुझे एक दो सुनाओ.
Because I feel like, if you really want to like go up to a girl, I mean, I would go up to a girl. It's got to make her feel like what an idiot this guy is. Because up until you don't bring that feeling out on a girl, you never break the ice. So it's got to be innocently stupid. I'm not saying go out there and be obnoxious with a woman, but I'm just saying it's got to be ridiculous.
Okay, I don't know why this is. I have to say
आज तूने
this.
ग्लास रख दिया, मैं स्ट्रेस हो गया. अभी क्या पूछने वाली?
नहीं, मैं पूछने कुछ नहीं वाली हूँ, कुछ बताने वाली हूँ क्योंकि मेरा ना दिमाग बहुत अलग
Dirty है?
tangent पे चलता है. नहीं, dirty तो अभी we've not gotten there, even though we're in the bed on the first date. अभी तो we've not gone there, we will.
Okay, go for it.
But when you were saying this, the minute you said, when you go up to a girl, in my head मुझे पता है क्या याद आया? This is, I think, last year.
I came up to you at a club?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, but you were right next to me and I was listening in.
You were? You are a real eavesdropper, huh? But were you enjoying what you were listening?
No, I was enjoying. I don't remember what it was, but it was about some
Was I
girl.
speaking to a girl?
No, it was some girl who had hit on you and you were telling it to your friend.
Oh, Fab, can you please have this on record on 3 cameras? It was a girl who was hitting on me.
This is, I think, if
This is so good for my sense of self-esteem, I can't tell you. The romance and the R has become bigger on my chest.
but
I
it's
can't
been a
remember who.
while now.
Yeah,
काफी
yeah.
पुराना event है ये.
You know, so many people hit on me, I don't remember after that.
Oh, of course. Not you being all cocky. What am I going to do when people are hitting on you and we're dating?
What am I also going to do? मैं बोलने में बहुत सारा मैं बोल सकता हूँ ऐसे, बट मेरा जो सेंस ऑफ सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस है ना, वो बहुत ही स्पाइक होकर कभी-कभी आता है.
But tell me,
Yeah.
what is it that you do जब ऐसा when you
Please
have
finish
to
that
hit on,
sentence.
when you have to hit on somebody?
What is it I do?
Like what's your go-to corny pickup line?
I mean, it totally depends on the situation, right? It's something as simple as, let's say, if you were coughing and I saw you across the bar, I'd probably get you a glass of water saying that I think you could use this.
Ooh,
You know?
damn. We'll get some food while we're.
We should, yeah. I'm a
Yeah.
bit starved. Considering you've called the date, you should be ordering the food and getting me like
we'll get the food.
wined and dined. Exactly like how they order food on a set when they're shooting. I'll tell you, the biggest irony na of our industry is कि as an actor सब आपको चाहते हैं कि ना आप lean लगो, body अच्छी लगे. Cut to सिर्फ set के खाने में ना तेल, carbs, सब चीज होती है। ये अलग बात है कि मैं खा लेता हूँ कि मैं पंजाबी हूँ।
सेम पंजाबी।
मैं जब कोई शो शुरू कर रहा होता हूँ ना, उसके पहले मैं बहुत फिट लगता हूँ। ड्यूरिंग द शो आई एम सडनली पुटिंग ऑन वेट फ्रॉम
You're putting on weight. How are you maintaining those abs यार? Abs तो आपके काफी अच्छे हैं।
क्या कहे,
पक्का पंजाबी हो ना?
पूरा पंजाबी हूँ मैं।
कि हमारे यहाँ पे फैमिली पैक होता है, abs नहीं होते।
यार मुझे एक्चुअली खाने का भी बड़ा शौक है, और मुझे एक्सरसाइजिंग की एक एडिक्शन हो गई है अभी। सो फॉर मी इवन दिस मॉर्निंग आई हैड लाइक लिटरली अ 1 hour window to travel to the gym, work out and come out, and I've reached my first engagement which I was meant to today about 20 minutes late, but I'm so addicted to training that I feel like my body knows how to wake up only like that.
तो फिर हमें दिक्कत होने वाली है।
Yeah.
I am a night owl.
I was going to say something but it's going to sound so rampant for camera.
Please say it. मुझे सुनना है अभी। The curious cat in me can't live.
Well, don't worry, I'll make sure your calories are well burned.
Ooh, damn! अभी मैं सोच रही हूँ sincere in the bed. थोड़ा सा vibe भी है।
You're feeling naughty.
Yeah, we should some pillow talk.
Yeah. I'll roll up my sleeves on further.
थोड़ा और।
Just for you.
थोड़ा सा और। But tell me, what's your kind of pillow talk?
मतलब मेरी शादी तो होने से रही है इंटरव्यू के बाद। तो बोले अच्छा इसको बेटी नहीं देनी।
नहीं आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कोई ना कोई लड़की को पसंद आ जाएगा, फिर वो बोलेगी इंटरव्यू नहीं दिखाना।
ओह नाइस वन।
एक सेकंड, यू आर ऑन अ डेट विद मी, नो?
या बट ये बोलने की बात है ना, ये सब मुझे ऐसा बेवकूफ ना। इमेजिन द हार्टब्रेक आई हैव टू गो थ्रू व्हेन आई रियलाइज दैट दिस इज नॉट अ डेट।
बट आई एम
थिंक अबाउट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग विद मी इनसाइड। मेरे दिल का क्या?
बट मैं बोल रही हूँ डेट है।
ठीक है,
मैंने बोल दिया, अब भूल जाओ कैमरा।
तो पापा मेरे को दिखाइयो मत इंटरव्यू।
नहीं दिखाना।
नहीं पता नहीं क्या सोचेंगे मेरे।
मेरी मॉम तो देखती है। ठीक है मैं हैंडल करती हूँ।
वो मम्मी को दिखा दी, मम्मी को अच्छा लगेगा। मम्मी बोलेंगे यार मेरा पति तो ऐसा नहीं है। मैं अगर किसी के साथ एक पहली डेट पे चला था, मैं उस डेट से ही मेरे ना पूरी पिक्चर बननी शुरू हो जाती है।
अभी क्या पिक्चर बनी?
अभी तो क्योंकि इतने सारे लोग हमें देख रहे हैं, मैं पिक्चर बना नहीं पा रहा हूँ। मेरे को लगता है हम खुद पिक्चर बने हुए हैं इस टाइम पे।
अच्छा तो फिर मैं डेट के बाद पूछूं?
बिल्कुल।
क्या पिक्चर बनी?
बिल्कुल, हो सकता है हम खुद ही बना लें।
You are the second person to say this to me in a week.
Yeah, I have no idea what kind of dates you're having.
But
that people want to make like films with you. What kind of films?
मैं यही पूछने वाली थी। Oh my God.
What are these naughty dates you're going on?
Yeah, what kind of films are we going to make? I don't know यार. How do you romance somebody on the camera? I can't do it. मेरी तो हंसी निकल जाएगी।
I want to tell you something. When I joined this job, I was going to say, when I became an actor, I started my career with being a रोमांटिक हीरो, राइट। मैंने 3 टीवी में शोज किए हैं, तीनों में मैंने भयंकर रोमांस की। टेलीविजन चलता रोमांस पे, मतलब अब लड़की गिरती है उसके मतलब पूरा आधा एपिसोड निकल जाता है। हाँ। कट टू मुझे ऑन स्क्रीन रोमांस किया अब इतना टाइम हो गया है कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेकर्स को लगता नहीं है कि मेरे में कैपेबिलिटी है टू कॉट अ वुमन इन रियल लाइफ।
इसके बाद आ सकती है ना कहानी?
इसके बाद आ सकती है।
इसके बाद कहानी हम यहाँ से सीड कर देंगे।
होना चाहिए यार, मतलब ऐसे होगा अविनाश तिवारी और करण के बीच में कुछ हुआ, के मेनन और करण, यू नो, लाइक यही सब लिखा जा सकता है मेरे बारे में।
I mean the sexual chemistry।
मैं चाहता हूँ अपने बारे में अफवाहें उड़ाना,
बट कोई है ही नहीं।
कोई है ही नहीं।
ठीक है, मेरे साथ अफवाहें उड़ेंगे तो चलेगा ना?
बिल्कुल
दौड़ेगा ना?
I'm dropping seeds, can't you see?
अच्छा, but we were talking about intimacy and you distracted me with your biceps and your
and my humor.
Yeah, like ठीक है, तो ये बहुत डिस्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है यार। धको यार, ये क्या है?
तो बस बाइसेप्स ही देखिए।
एब्स देखूंगी तो मैं फिर
So women like abs, no?
नहीं, I think that's a very personal obsession. I like the jawline. The jawline is giving.
Yeah, thank you.
It's like cutting the tension in the room with a jawline. But अब मुझे और भी कोई interesting सवाल पूछने हैं. But I'm thinking we should play a game.
Go for it.
So
are you gonna throw that food on me? Is that what the game is?
नहीं, I'm not throwing the food on you. Not yet.
I want to play a game and part. Well, I got you.
Not really.
That's it. You know, मैं बड़ा टाइम से कंट्रोल कर रहा हूँ, but what the hell?
I love this.
If I look plumpy, I'm gonna blame this on this date, okay?
I'm the reason. अच्छा, but what is your kind of romance then? Like what do you do when you're in love?
When you don't have to do, I think that's when you're in love.
That's sweet.
Yeah, please clap. Yeah, तालियां.
Tell me, what are your red flags in a relationship? What is it that you do?
I love how I have so much gyan on love and I'm so single, you know.
यही तो होता है सिंगल लोगों का, इसलिए तो
Standard high हो गया.
इसलिए डेट पे हो ना? Yeah.
I feel like if somebody is offering a never have I ever in the bed, there's only one reason for it. So, well, good to know. I'm gonna brace myself for what's about to happen.
For something spicy.
Done.
Okay. Never have I ever gone on a date for the free food.
For the free food?
Yeah.
Well, I'm always paying the bill, babe. I'm working on it.
Okay, okay. Same. Never have I ever ghosted someone after a great date.
Never.
After a great date?
Well, why would you want to first of all ghost anyone after a good date, right?
Yeah, like I've had a good date.
Or a great date.
Yeah.
I mean, I've never ghosted anyone in general, even if it's been bad. I'm always courteous. I'll always leave a text.
I've ghosted people.
I like letting somebody know.
Okay, never have I ever kissed on the first date. I have.
Oh, I'm supposed to hit you if I have.
Yeah. Have you? You've done it or not? You've done it.
I only go on dates so that I can kiss people.
Ooh, I like this. So I know what's going to happen next.
Oh, yeah.
Never have I ever stalked an ex's new partner
Oh,
online.
Never.
Online.
Oh, never. I'm not supposed to. Ideally, we should hit each other on never.
No, we are supposed to hit each other if we've done it.
Acha, I just feel like hitting you for some reason.
Okay. Never have I ever lied about being too busy to avoid a date. Yes, I have lied. Have you? Have you? Have you? Yes. Ah. Okay. Never have I ever fallen for someone I wasn't supposed to. Yes.
Yes.
Never have I ever sent a risky late night text and regretted it. Oh, yes.
What does that mean?
A risky late night text?
What is a risky late night text?
Something risk.
Define what is risk?
I mean, it could be flirty, a little more than flirty.
That if I've sent a girl a late night flirty text.
A risky text.
What is a risky text? Why are you doing that and all?
Like a little
I want to
more-
murder somebody, like, you know, take a...
like a little more than flirty. Maybe like a picture.
Like, please bring somebody else also with you.
Or please come over.
Uh,
Or it could not. It doesn't have to be about coming over. But come on, you've done it. Yeah, we've all done it.
I just never thought that it was risky.
But you've regretted it after that.
Never.
Never. So then you're not supposed to.
भाई तुम्हें पूछ रहा हूँ इसका मतलब क्या है?
Never have I ever cheated on a partner. No.
Never.
नहीं करना है.
Oh, sorry. I've never.
Oh God.
I thought it's a good thing. It was like a high five.
No, it's when you.
Like both of us said never, so I was like, oh, good on us.
Yeah,
It was
so
that.
then
It was
that's
one of those.
then we do a high five. Never have I ever cried over someone who didn't deserve it. Oh my God, so many times.
Bro.
Never have I ever imagined dating a co-star or a colleague. Oh yes, I have. Come on.
I don't think I ever wanted to date KK. Yeah, Avinash is also not really my kind of guy. Yeah, I off late maybe not.
Why are you being so nice?
Because I'm being funny, no? I mean, what am I going to do? Like here.
मैं भी लड़ सकती हूँ.